Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to deactivate an Instagram account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So the Instagram deactivation only requires a few steps and it's very easy to do. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. Just to let you know that this is actually the updated version of 2023. Facebook or the Meta group has made a couple of changes and it is now called the Meta Account Center, so it's all linked into one and you're able to deactivate and delete it if you have a Facebook, Messenger, or of course Instagram account. So what you want to do first is just below you'll see your profile. On the bottom you'll see more. You want to go ahead and select more. Now all the way to the top you'll see your settings. Select settings. You'll then be brought to this screen, which is your profile. Now of course this is where you'll be able to see all the details to edit your profile. On the top left you'll see the Meta Account Center. You want to go ahead and click on that. Now you'll have all your profiles listed on the right side, so currently we're at learning mode. Of course, if you have any other accounts, you'll be able to access them as well. On the left side, so on the account settings, just below the accounts, you'll see personal details. You'll want to go ahead and select personal details. Now you'll not see it on my screen, but now we've entered the personal details. You'll see your contact information, which is your email, your phone number, then of course the date of birth. Just below all that you'll see the account ownership and control. You want to go ahead and select that. Now you'll be given a new screen which is showing the account ownership and control, so deactivation or deletion, and just select the deactivation or deletion. Now as you can see, we're going to be deactivating learning mode, so go ahead and click on that. Then of course you'll be given two options there, which is to deactivate the account or to delete the account. Now when you are deactivating or deleting the account, you got to make sure that you remember your password, because it's going to ask for verification just before it deletes the actual account or deactivates it. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. If you found it helpful at all, please leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.